What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a fresh balut egg. Now, if you haven't had a balut egg before, I suggest you try it. I tried it once. It wasn't my cup of tea. It was just a texture for me. I could not handle the texture. I probably should have just manhandled it and just gargled it down. Gargle the balut egg. Screw that. I should have just swallowed it, but I just couldn't. I just couldn't get that texture. But if you haven't tried it, try it. It's a delicacy in the Philippines, so you should probably, give it a shot. Anyways, what we're going to be doing today is implementing this comment, saving our comments in the back end. Now, we're not going to be doing the front end, but we are going to be doing the back end, where we actually save the comments. So once someone types here his reply, it should show up right here like that, right? And I'm gonna just let you guys know that it's important to figure out how a feature works before you implement the model, so that way you could actually set up the schema correctly, so your queries or whatever you do with that data could be easier to handle or to query, right? And we'll talk about that more once we get into the model, and you'll see why I'm saying this, okay? But let's actually focus on the server side on saving the comments, all right? So let's get right into that. Let's open up the terminal. All right, so in our server side, we're going to start off with the model. All right, so we're going to create a new file. We're going to call it the comment model.js, just like so. And we're going to be copying the tweet model over because it's about to be this. It's going to be almost the exact same thing, right? So instead of tweet, control D, it's going to be comment. And then instead of message, it's going to be comment. We're still going to have a creator. We still need to know who created the comment. And also yes, because people could actually like this comment as well. And we're going to be adding one more thing to this, and that's the tweet. The tweet that was commented on. We want a reference to the tweet. And this is pretty important. Hold on, let me do this first. And we're going to be referencing the tweet model. And I will talk to you about why we're doing it this way. And you might not even think about it right now, but I will talk about it. All right, so now for our tweet model, we do need to save the comments that is going to this tweet. So what I'm going to do is say comments. Yeah, right there. Comments. And it's going to be obviously an array. So let me just copy this. Copy, paste. And we're going to be referencing the comment model. So you already know what this does. We're just creating another field that's going to be an array of all the comments that this particular tweet has. And then for our user model, I don't know if, what's it called? Let me actually copy this. I don't know if Twitter keeps track of all the comments that you've made. Does it? I don't know, but we are. I'm pretty sure it does, but we are for sure. So right here, what I'm going to say is comments created. So this user is going to create comments, a lot of comments, right? So we're going to just keep track of all the comments that this user, created, and it's going to be referencing the comment model. All right, going back to why I said what I said over here about this tweet right here. All right, so let's go back to Twitter, okay? So obviously, once we hit that tweet, once we click on a tweet, this one has a lot of comments. So once we click on this tweet, we should have, we should have all the comments related to that tweet, right? And that's why we have that specific in the tweet model, the comments with the array. So that way we could grab all of those tweets, right? So, but what if someone actually clicks on a comment, right? They click on a comment. Hold on, let me see. Hold on, let me see something. If I want to, wait, how can I did this before. Like I said, I'm not that good on Twitter, guys. Sorry about that. But I clicked on the comment and then it showed me all the, I'm not even seeing the comments that, oh, is it right here? The show replies? Is that it? Yeah, okay. These are the comments right here for this one, right? what happened was when I did this, when I clicked on it, for some reason, I don't know why, but for some reason it took me to another page with the original tweet above and it's commented below, and then all the comments following this one comment, right? I don't know why it's not doing that now, but it did do that. Don't know why it's not doing it. But anyways, my point is, so once they click on this tweet, we want to know once they click on this comment, we want to know what tweet this comment was referencing, right? And there's multiple ways you could do this, obviously. You don't really need in the comments model, you don't really need this field right here. What you could do is query the tweet model, right? So you're going to do a loop on the tweets, all the tweets, and you're going to do a loop within the comments to figure out where that comment ID is. So you would do a for loop on all the tweets, and then within those tweets, we got these comments, array of comments. So you would have to do a loop within these comments and find that comment ID. The problem with that is that's going to take a while to do, especially if you have tons of tweets and tons of comments, right? That's not a good way of doing it. Obviously, there's other ways of doing it, but the most easiest way to do it is, all right, so I clicked on the comment. I want to know what the tweet it was referencing. Well, the easiest way that we did it right now is within that comment, the one I clicked on is going to have the tweet that it was referencing, which is whatever tweet it was, right? So this is one example of like why you should be playing around with functionality before you actually implement the models, so that way you could have a better structure, a better way of doing things. So anyways, yes, so this is our comment model for right now. Well, yeah, we might be adding stuff later on. All right, so now that we have our comment model, what we want to do is add a service to actually add the comment to the proper models, right? So let's create a new service, comment service. Okay, rest.js. Okay, comment service. And I'm gonna just get this tweet and paste it in here. And delete this. And we're going to be renaming this to add comment. I'm just control D. Okay, comment. And right here, we're going to actually, our const user comment is going to equal new comment. And then user comment dot save right here. Instead of message, it's going to be comment. All right. So we're creating this comment service, and we're going to add a method called add comment. Now, I do want to talk about the services for just a bit. Now, previously, how we've done it was every little thing has its own, let me actually show you. For instance, our tweet, once we add a tweet, we actually add the tweet in the tweet service, and then we go inside the user and add the tweet for that user, right? So every little thing has its proper place to go, right? So if you're adding a tweet for the user, it's going to be in the user service. If you're adding a tweet to the tweets model, it's going to be in the tweet service, right? And some people actually like it this way, so that way it's nice and cleaner and you know where it's at. But some people, like when you think about like, okay, we're going to add the comment, when you just say that, people think about, okay, once they call this the add comment method, people assume that you're going to be adding the comment everywhere where it needs to be added without having to, let's actually look at something right now. Let's go to routes, I think in tweets. No, it's in user. Right here. So right here, we're actually saying, hey, we're going to add tweet to the tweet service. And then right here, we're saying add the tweet to the user, right? But when they see this right here, add tweet, they automatically, or some people automatically assume that this is going to add it to all the models or everywhere that it needs to be added to without having to actually write another line to add a tweet to the user, right? And this is what we're going to be doing with the comments. We're going to just be adding it right here. We're going to be adding it to every model that needs to be added it to. we're not going to be splitting it up. That's my point. We're not going to be splitting up this add comment, so that way we add the comment here and then add the comment in the tweet service and then add the comment to the user service. It's just for some people it doesn't make sense, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So we already did it where we split it up, and guys, you could split this up if you want to as well. Once we're done doing it with the right here, once we do it here, you could actually grab those comments and just put them into their services and just, you know, reference the services and the routes. But we're going to just be doing it all in one go. I just wanted to clear that up. You can do it however you want. For this instance, we're going to be adding everything right here. So for the comment, we're going to need the comment, the user ID, and also the tweet ID, okay? And obviously the tweet is going to be equal to the tweet ID, just like that. And then we're going to do user comment dot save. But instead of returning that, what we're going to be doing is adding a dot. Then we're going to grab a comment back, and we're going to be doing something with that comment, right? So we are going to need to add the user and also the control D, the tweet model in here, because we're going to be using those. So once we have this comment, what we're going to be doing is first let's save it in the user. So user dot find by ID, and we're going to find it by the user ID. Dot then we're going to get a user back, right? And right here, what we're going to be doing is user dot. We're going to be pushing this comment to, what do we call it? Or what did we call it? Comments created. Okay, comments created. So we're going to be pushing user dot comments created dot push, and we're going to just push that comment inside of that. And don't worry, like I said, it's going to just query out the ID and just add the comment ID or object ID inside that array, right? And then after we do that, we're going to do user dot save and just be done like that. Now we're going to just grab this because it's going to be the same thing for tweet. So control, okay, tweet, and then D is going to be tweet. All right, so we're going to find in the tweet, we're going to find by ID, grabbing the tweet model up here, passing it in, and then we're going to get a tweet back. Then what we want to do, what did we call it in tweet comments? We're going to do tweet dot comments, push the comment inside of comments, and then tweet dot save. And that's basically it. And what we want to do is, where is it at? Right. Whoa. Where is this at? Okay, this is right there. Okay, what we want to do is return, and what we're going to return is just the comment that was saved. That is it. Or you don't have to return anything if you don't want to. If you don't expect passing nothing back to the front end, you could just literally just say return and that's it. But I want to pass in the comment. And then don't forget, let's do a dot catch. Where is this? Right here. Okay, right here. So dot catch, just in case something goes wrong. We're going to get an error. We're going to return error, and that's it. So in this one method, we're actually saving it inside the comments, the user, and also the tweet, wherever it needs to be saved, right? Now let's create a route that actually handles this. So get rid of that right here. So inside of our routes, we're going to add a new folder. It's going to be the comments folder, and inside here, new file, index.js. You already know .js, and then let's just grab tweets. It doesn't really matter because we just need the boilerplate, which is going to be getting rid of all of this except for one. Okay, and we're going to be grabbing the comment service, which we still haven't passed in. So let's pass that in before we do anything here. So in app.js, up above, let's grab that. So user, control D, comment service, and then we're going to be creating a new instance. Control D, comment service, lowercase. Copy that down here. Let's pass it in. All right, now we actually have it in our params, and we're just grabbing the comment service from the params. So it's going to be a post because we're actually, adding the comment, and we're going to do async rec res const, or actually, let's actually grab the comment, user ID, and tweet ID from the front end for right now, anyways. Why do I say right now? It's because const, since we're not doing this via the front end, we're going to be doing this. We're going to be adding a comment via the Postman. We need to pass an actual user ID because I don't think Postman actually, we're not logged in Postman, so it doesn't know who's logged in or not. But anyways, we're going to grab the comment, the user ID, and also the tweet ID from rec.body. And then what we're going to be doing is const. Well, you don't have to do const. You could just do comment service dot. What do we add? Add comment, right? Passing in the comment, user ID, and tweet ID. And what we're going to return is, let's actually save this. Let's see, const comment saved, and then we're going to return the comment saved. Control save. All right, let's actually try this out. So what I'm gonna do is, do I have this started up? Okay, I do have it started up. Okay, awesome. So let's open up Postman, because we're going to be trying this out, and also MongoDB, because we do need to grab a tweet ID and a user ID. Connect Twitter user. Oh no, collections users. As you can see, I was already playing around, but let me actually delete this, and so that way drop collection. Yes. All right. So our users, where is it at? Right here. So let's grab our first user, which is going to be web. Let's actually grab the second one, so that way we could web dev journey 2. So this is our user. Okay. And then let's grab a tweet. Let's actually grab number 8. Okay. All right. Let me actually do this like that. Okay. Oh, bro, before we do that, we do need to add that route. Add this comments route to our index, our main route right here. Don't forget about this. It's not going to work. Control D, comments route, and we're going to do / Control D, comments, and we're going to reference the comments route. Okay, now this should, let me actually open this up. Okay, it should still be working, so let's try it out. So we're going to be posting to localhost 8080/comments. Yes. And if you go to body, as you can see, I already did it, but just hit body, go to raw, and make sure this is in JSON format. And we're going to be adding a comment. This is a comment from Postman. And the user ID, we already said that the user ID is going to be Web Dev Journeys 2, which is, it already is, A3F. Okay, and then the tweet ID is going to be this one tweet ID. Let me just grab this, edit document, grab that, paste it in here. Okay, so once we send this, it should give us our comment back, and also save all those things inside this, the collections. So let's send it, and we get an error, which is not good. Let's see what happened. Whoa, why, what? It's saying cannot post to /comments. Why is that? Let me see. Oh, it's comments. Control save. Now let's go to Postman. Let's try to send it one more time. And there you go, comment saved. I'm getting an empty object. That's not right. That's not good. But let's see if it actually worked or not, which it doesn't look like it worked, but let's try it out. Let's refresh this. Let's go to comments. Okay, it did work, so I don't know why it's not giving us our comment. We'll check that in a bit. But as you can see, our comment this is a comment from Postman, which is correct. And the ID of this is 0F37. Okay, 0F37. That's the ID of this comment. So let's make sure that this is correct for the users. First of all, going to the second one, comments created 0F37, which is correct. We did create that. And let's go to tweets. Let's go to number 8. That's the one we did it on. And we got comments where it's 0F37. So it's actually saving it everywhere that it needs to be saved, which is a good thing. That's what we wanted. But let's fix this. Why is that returning an empty object? Let's see. Let's go to right here, comment saved. And we should be returning our comment. We should be returning our comment. It's still inside the scope of the user.save or user comment.save. It's inside the scope, so it should be grabbing this comment. So why isn't it not saving it? Let me actually, I'm gonna do a console log. By the way, guys, we're actually done. We're done with the video. I'm just figuring out why this isn't comment saved. Comment, why isn't it showing up? So I'm just, why? Oh, let me actually do over here as well. Where is it at? Where's that comment? Okay, I'm gonna actually log out right here as well. Log. This is a comment service, and we're going to spit out the comment. Control save. All right, let's try to do it one more time. Let's this is a comment from Postman. Debug mode. Send it out. Okay. So let's see. Oh, that's why. Damn, I forget. That's why. So everything is correct. I understand why. That promise tells me everything. Okay. So right here we need to await obviously this, because it is a promise, so we need to await that and then save it in the comment saved and then spit it out. So this should work. Now let's go back over here in this parentheses. I'm stupid. Needed await. All right, let's send that in. Oh God, dude, no, I refuse to. No. I completely refuse to comment. Dude, come on, comment. It's probably something so stupid that, yeah, it probably is something stupid. I'm more stupid. I don't know. I feel that way right now. Undefined? Why is that undefined? There's absolutely no way. We're still saving that damn thing. Like I said, guys, we're done. I'm just trying to debug this so you can stick around and figure out and just laugh at me if you want to, because I'm probably doing something really dumb. V2. Okay. Comment service. Yeah, it gives me my comment back. Yes. So why? I'm literally stumped on why isn't it not saving? I'm stumped right now. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just, I don't know. I don't know. It's probably something stupid, like I said. I'm just take a break of this. But anyway, guys, if you do figure this out, let me know down in the comments what it is before. Maybe look at that. I'm more stupid V2 is showing up. Damn it, dude. Okay. Anyways, we're saving it. That's all that matters. We're saving the comments. Let me know if you figure this out in the comments down below, please. That was it for this video, guys. I do hope you I hope you learned something throughout this video. And also, please hit that subscribe button, like it if you liked it, and comment down below with the solution to this problem. Why am I getting undefined? I might do this after a bit afterwards. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.